Friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. So we will continue our discussion on the sun line. A quick recap of all which we have studied so far. What does sunline represent? Sunline tells about your artistic and creative abilities. Sunline tells about your personal magnetism, how much goodness and how much capacity you have to attract good people and name and fame in your life. It also tells about your perfectionist attitude. You know, when it comes to sunline, it tells about not only you have the talent, but also you are able to get your due recognition for that talent and ultimate success because of that talent. So sunline is very important. It also tells about the contentment level which you will get for your due efforts. So like the way we have discussed in the past videos, that this is our line of Saturn. This line tells about the efforts which we are going to put into our this life. This line also tells about the most productive years. This line also tells about our wealth and material prospects. But what would remain to be the fruit of all our labors and our efforts which we have put over here, that gets seen from the line of sun. So this is our sun line, Apollo line. This line is known by various other names like the line of art, line of talent, line of recognition, line of brilliance, line of capability. And in Hindu palmistry, this line is also known by various names like the Dharma Rekha, the line of religion, Punya Rekha, line of spiritual merit. So this is the kind of significance and the magnitude of importance which has been attached to this line. Just by mere looking at this line, you just can't go to an extent of saying that this person is going to become a very good artist. You also need to check the condition of the three dominant worlds as well. So a person who would have this the first flange which is known as the the mental world, second flange which is known as the practical world, third flange which is known as the physical world. This first world, the first flange of the finger, this tells about your mental pursuits, your mental acumen, the mental knowledge which you have. Second tells about your practical, your business abilities, your money making abilities, and third tells about your sensual indulgences. So a good sun line in combination with good headline, a good firm thumb as well as good mental world would only indicate that yes, this person has the ability to become a very renowned artist. Apart from that, if you in conjunction with all those good qualities, you will also find longer second flange of majority of the fingers, then this would just also indicate that yes, this person also has the potential to make good money out of his creativity. And third would have two indications: either it would just make someone too ostentatious, too showy if it is in a negative aspect, and in a positive aspect this would just infuse good charisma and good sex appeal in someone's personality. When I say sunline, it is very important because a Rahu governed person might get too much of the fame, excess of fame, and and even too much of wealth. But first thing is that this would remain to be very sudden. Second is this would remain to be very volatile, and third would remain to be the case that this person will not have contentment. The good and the negative part about Rahu people is that Rahu gives innumerable amount of wealth, but when it comes to deriving satisfaction out of that, so that portion lacks in someone's personality. But when it comes to the sun line, so not only it would just give someone good talent, it would just bestow good amount of money, but it also consequently and finally also gives contentment and satisfaction derived from your earned wealth. So now coming to this portion where we are going to discuss different rising and the origin of the this sun line on the palm. Like the way I always say, any line in consideration gets judged on the four principles. First is from where the line is originating, second is where the line is terminating, presence of any forks or branches, and last is presence of any special signs and symbols on the line which we are studying. So in this portion we are going to discuss the very first principle, which is the origin of the line in consideration. So we will going to discuss the different beginning points of the sun line and what would remain to be the attached significance with that. So let's say the first is, if any point of time you will find the sun line to be originating right from the wrist. So you will find it something like this. So this is the ideal, this is the best kind of the placement for the sun line to have, though it is very rare to find in people's hand. But if you have spotted this, so with other good combinations, you can just say that this person will be very cheerful, this person will be very optimistic, this person will have a very strong personal magnetism, and these people would remain to be amongst those who who by somehow get the help of the people at the right times. These people just remain present at the right time, at the right place, and amongst surrounding the right kind of people. This also infused too much of the artistic and creative ability infused in someone's personality. And this might also be the case of all those star kids, or all those people who get the fame right from a very early age. So this kind of combination of the sunlight beginning from the wrist is the best combination. You can just relate all the positive qualities and all the positive signification of the sunlight in the form of cheerfulness, artistic abilities, potential to attract name and fame, contentment, all with this kind of signification if you'll find this kind of line originating in someone's hand. Next is when you will find the sun line to be originating from the upper Mars. So this is our upper Mars. This whole portion is the plane of Mars, and this portion is known as the inner mount of the Mars, or the negative Mars. This tells about our physical strength, and this is our outer mount of the Mars, which just tells about our mental strength, perseverance, our ability to fight and withstand any kind of the negative circumstances in the life. So any point of time you'll find the line of the sun line to be originating from here, from this portion. This would just indicate that this person would surely get success, but that would be met after too much of struggle and after too much of the strife. But the best part is that these people would have that tendency and have that mental strength to counter any kind of the the stress or any kind of the counter situations with life is putting them at. And the best part about this combination is that in Hindu palmistry, this domain is also been related with the account of all our past life actions. So this is, many authors have even ascribed this kind of formation as the Pur Punya, that someone who has done good deeds in the past life. So origin of sun line from the mount of the outer Mars just tells about Pur Punya, good deeds done in the past life. This also tells about someone meeting success, final success, with little bit of struggle and strife in his life. Third is, any point of time you'll find the sun line to be originating from the line of Saturn itself. So we have, this is our line of Saturn, and any point of time you'll find the sun line to be originating from here. So a lot has been written about this, that many even authors and palmists even say this thing, that these kind of people would remain to be very lucky, and luck and success always go hand in hand with them. And many times this situation, this kind of combination has also been seen in the hands of all those women who marry rich husbands, whose husbands are not only well settled, they are distinguished in the society, but they are also handsome and good looking. So this kind of combination is very good and very desirable on any palm to have. And one thing, there might have been a lot of time debate around this, that people won't even agree this as a sun line. They say it as a branch of the Saturn line of Saturn. So whatsoever the signification would be, it would just indicate one thing only, that person would remain to be very fortunate, and the chances would remain to be very high that the person would get this good results and good fruits of his hard work. And when it comes to the sun line as well, we need to age the line. So this might remain to be the case when the possibility of success would remain very high. So like the way I have been saying this thing, I am not relating sun line only with the artistic and creative abilities, because this line also has one more stronger signification, which is the fame, the recognition, and the reputation. So these people at that point of time, this would remain to be the age when this person can expect good recognition for all of his put forth efforts. So that is the case when you will find the sun line to be originating from the line of Saturn. Next in the series is, if you will find the sun line to be originating from the lifeline. So this is our lifeline, which tells about the major events of the life. This also tells about our physical health and constitution. So any point of time you will find the sun line to be originating from lifeline, something like this, from the lifeline. So this would just indicate that the person will get success, person will get the due recognition, and person will make his own identity in the life due to his own personal efforts. So many times what happens is that this vitality line, the lifeline in Hindu palmistry, has been also called as the line of the father. So the support of the father, the support of the parents would remain, but ultimately this would just indicate that the subject getting success due to his own personal efforts. And this time, at the age where this line originates originates from the lifeline would remain to be a time of, some tremendous success or some very good fortunate event in an individual's life. Next is when you'll find the sun line to be originating from the mount of Luna. This is the mount of the Luna, and trust me on this, be it the line of Saturn, be it the sun line, this is the best kind of the origin point for the sun line to have. So what would remain to be the signification? So any point of time, this is the mount of the moon. So any point of time you'll find the sun line to be originating from here, like this, from this point, from the mount of the moon. So like this. So first thing which you need to understand is, what does this portion, the mount of the moon, represent? This portion tells about your imaginativeness. This portion tells about the other people. Venus is your family. These are the other people. This is also the domain of the opposite sex, the woman. This is also the distance of the foreign travel, foreign business, foreign settlement. So this would just remain to be the case when first thing could remain to be a case that this person would remain to be very imaginative, and the sun line is already indicating good artistic and creative abilities. So first thing would remain to be, because this mount of the moon also tells about our thinking and the writing skills. So this person can become very good author, and let's say in combination if the fingertips are also pointed or conical, so this person could also succeed in good poetry. And let's say if the fingers are naughty, so naughty fingers, whenever you'll find these kind of bumps at the edges of the side of the fingers, so this would just tell about good analytical skills, ability to comprehend and contemplate on the things. So that could also make someone, someone who could just write on very extremely very sensitive topics which are prevalent in the society. That person could also become very good journalist. And let's say with this combination, when someone has good writing skills, someone has the capacity, some good artistic and creative abilities, along with that the mount of the Mars is also very well developed. So this would remain to be a case when this person would take interest in writing all the war stories. And with the mount of the Venus to be prominent, the fingers to be conical, sunline originating from here, from the mount of the Luna, so this would just also indicate someone taking interest in writing too much of the sentimental stories or the sympathetic stories or love stories. In a nutshell, origin of this tells about, it can have too many signification. First would remain to be the person will get success due to his spouse. This could also indicate subject would get success in far away from his birthland, because the more this line gets closer to the mount of the Venus or the lifeline, the more it would just indicate getting success in his hometown. The more it gets just closer to the percussion side from the mount of the moon, so this would just indicate there remain to be heightened chances that the person gets success in far away from his birthland. Though for that indication we also need to check the branch at the end of the lifeline. So let's say if, along with this origin of the sun line, the lifeline is also branching at the bottom, so this would just increase the possibility of the person to get success in the foreign land. This also indicate good writing skills, person doing good in foreign trade, and person will get success and learn a lot during his travels. So this is the kind of the best for the combination for the sun line to have, because this domain is also of the people. So all those people who are the public favorite, who wants to remain in the public eye and the public domain, so for that also this will be a very positive indication. Let's say the next combination is when you'll find the sun line to be originating from the headline. So this is our headline. What does headline represent? Headline represent your your mentality, your ability to comprehend things, your thinking process. So any point of time you'll find the headline to be originating from the sun line to be originating from the headline. So the first thing is that just because as we are moving towards the headline or the heart line, we are just moving above. So what is happening is that the success, the reputation, the super success, the contentment from your work is getting delayed little bit. But as if now the sun line is originating, even the mere presence of the sun line on your hand remains to be a very positive indication. I will not go far. My real life example is there in front of you guys. Ever since I have been practicing palmistry for many years, but ever since I have started making videos on YouTube and I am getting that recognition for all of my hard work, the sun line has become prominent in my own hand. So this is the kind of significance which sun line holds. So any point of time we'll find the sun line to be originating from the headline. First of all, this would just indicate fortune being awakening at the age of 28 or 30. Second is person will succeed in his life, get reputation, good recognition due to his own efforts and because of his own thinking process and his own mental efforts put in the society. And let's say another signification is any point of time you'll find the sun line to be originating from the heart line. So this is our heart line. So now again what is happening is success is getting delayed in someone's life, though success would remain to be very positively there in someone's life. Why? What makes me say that? Because now this line is coming on the mount of the sun. So any point of time, any line which reaches on the mounts are the mounts are the most important domain of the palmistry of the palm. These are the powerhouses which supplies the current to the whole hand. All these lines get currents and the energies from these mounts. So what happen is any point of time, any line which is terminating on the mounts, so what will happen is not only the signification would remain to be present during those lifetime, those periods, those ages, but also just because line is ending on the mount itself. So those signification would remain to be present throughout in the life of an individual. So any point of time you will find the sun line to be originating from the heart line. So this would remain to be an ideal case where the person's old age would remain to be full of contentment. Second thing is in all of his artistic and creative realm, if he'll take interest in the artistic and creative realm, so the matter of emotions and the sympathy would remain to be a part of it. And third, there remain to be heightened chances that the person will get success after 45 years of the age. Like the way I have explained this thing, that the wheresoever the Saturn line of Saturn or the sun line, they intersect the headline, that is roughly taken as a 30 years of the age, and where it intersects the heart line, that is roughly taken as a 45 years of the age. So that might be the case when the person will get the success after 45 years of age, and that success will be very widespread, that success will be very high, very good. And like the way I always say, when it comes to sun line, you just can't restrict the meaning only to the artistic and creative business only. No matter whichsoever field the person is working on, he would be known for his good work. And secondly, art and creativity would remain to be in one way or other a part of that person's life. So no matter whether if that person is not creating something on its own, no matter if the person is not in the business of dealing in the matters of the art or creativity, but that would remain to be a case that the person would keep on remaining regular with the art exhibitions and theatre. So art and creativity would remain to be part of that person's life, in whose hand the sun line would remain to be very prominent. So this is all what I had to say on this. I hope I made myself very clear in this video. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.